Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Hey, let's write a song together. Let's go pick out this beat. Oh shoot, we already got a beat playing. This beat is called Mind Floating by 5 a.m. Truly, shout out to him. Time and time again. Girl, you got me missing you. The way you make me feel, the way my heart is filled, makes me get a thrill. Whenever you come around, I'm never down. The word around town, everybody knows how I feel about you. When the word comes through, heart aimed at you. Not her, not them. I remember when. That's what I wrote so far. I wrote that so far. I need to keep on writing. This mic is not light. Time and time again. Girl, you got me missing you. The way you make me feel, the way my heart is filled, makes me get a thrill. Whenever you come around, I'm never down. The word around town, everybody knows how I feel about you. When the word comes through, heart aimed at you. Not her, not them. I remember when. What are the lyrics, ladies and gentlemen? What are we gonna put? I remember when. Heart aimed at you, not her, not them. I remember when. Not her, not that. I remember when. Everything changed. Everything changed. Time has changed. Everything changed. I remember when everything changed. Heart rearranged. I remember when everything changed. Heart rearranged. Heart rearranged. Not used to the games. Not used to the games. Not playing the games. Everything changed. Heart rearranged. Not playing the games. Time and time again. Girl, you got me missing you. The way you make me feel, the way my heart is filled, makes me get a thrill. Whenever you come around, I'm never down. The word around town, everybody knows how I feel about you. When the word comes through, heart aimed at you, not her, not them. I remember when everything changed, heart rearranged. Not playing the games, not playing them games. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the work. This is the work that I'm putting in to learn how to write, how to rap better, how to get my flow better. This is the work. Listen to a beat, put it on replay, and write a song. Doing what you hate like you love it. Or doing it like you love it. Discipline. Everything changed, heart rearranged, not playing them games. Happiness is mine. Happiness is mine. Girl, I got you, it took time. Not playing them games, happiness is mine. Things take time. My brain's unwind. mine, things take time. You're letting my brain unwind. You love it when I make your brain unwind. You love it how I make you feel. Things take time. Everything changed, heart rearranged. Not playing them games, happiness is mine, things take time. Our love so strong, feel it even though we're blind. Everything changed, heart rearranged. Not playing them games, happiness is mine, things take time. Your love makes me feel like I can do any crime. Happiness is mine, things take time. Man, I need to stop trying to get the perfect line. I just write. Happiness is mine, things take time. Your heart. Things take time. We're in it together. Not playing them games, happiness is mine, things take time. Love and crime. Our love ain't blind. You remind me all the time. Our love ain't blind. Remind me all the time. Remind me all the time. Remind me all the time. I keep on yawning. Maybe it's nap time. Maybe it's time for a nap. Time and time again, girl, you got me missing you. The way you make me feel it, the way my heart is filled, God makes me get a thrill. There it is, ladies and gentlemen, writing a song behind the scenes. Hey, it may be fascinating, it may be boring, but that's what it is. That's what I do to make a song. I write lyrics. Sit back, listen to the beat, hey, and write what needs to be wrote.